If you're looking to drive more engagement or conversions from your HubSpot content, adding a clear, compelling call to action is one of the smartest moves you can make. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to add a call to action or CTA to your HubSpot blog posts, website pages, landing pages, and even marketing emails. By the end, you'll know how to place CTAs your visitors can't miss, helping to boost clicks, signups, or whatever action matters most to you. Let's start with the rich text editor, which is where you'll likely be editing most of your HubSpot content, like pages or blogs. The first thing you want to do is head over to your content dashboard. Whether it's a blog post, a website page, a landing page, or even an email, you'll see a list of your content here. Find the piece you want to update and click Edit. This opens up the editor so you can get to work. Inside the editor, you'll notice sections called Rich Text Modules. These are basically the spots where you can add and style text, images, or other elements. Think of them as flexible containers for your content. Locate the right text module and place your cursor exactly where you wish the CTA to appear. Maybe you want it after a big piece of information at the end of the page or right underneath a persuasive paragraph. Where you put it matters. Placing a CTA in a spot that feels natural but also stands out can really make a difference in how often people click. Now up at the top right corner of your rich text editor, you'll see an Insert dropdown. Click this, and from the menu that pops up, look for and select Call to Action. HubSpot makes it pretty straightforward. You don't have to code or mess with HTML, just choose from their options. This brings up a panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see all the CTAs you've created or have available to use, so just select the one you want to add. Maybe it's download the free guide, request a demo, or whatever suits your needs. Click Insert and voila, your CTA drops in right where you placed your cursor. Take a quick look to make sure it feels natural and stands out. Sometimes you might want to preview your changes or shuffle things around a bit, so don't rush this part. Getting the placement and spacing right is key to making sure your CTA actually gets noticed. Switching over to emails, let's talk about the drag and drop editor, which is a little different but just as simple. First, go to your email dashboard and choose the email you want to edit. Once you've clicked Edit, you'll see the email builder with all its different sections and modules. On the left side panel, you'll find the button module. Think of this as your secret weapon for making CTAs really pop in emails. Drag the button module over and drop it into your email where you want your CTA to live. Maybe it's centered under your main message or within a section designed to grab attention. Next, look at the left panel and under Link to, select CTA from the drop-down menu. This tells HubSpot you want the button to trigger an official call to action rather than just linking somewhere random. Then under the CTA field, click Choose Call to Action. This opens up a selection of all your CTAs. Pick the one you want to use for this email. Once you've chosen, it's added to your button, making your email both visually appealing and functionally powerful. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get your button looking just right. Adjusting things like alignment or spacing can really help your CTA stand out in a crowded email. Think of it like dressing up a storefront window. You want it to catch eyes and pull people inside. And that's it. You now know how to quickly and confidently add CTAs to both your HubSpot content and emails. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment below with any questions or tips of your own, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.